Creating a Gmail account on your laptop is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Launch your preferred web browser on your laptop. 2. Type gmail.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Gmail homepage. Alternatively, you can directly go to the Gmail sign-up page by typing https://accounts.google.com/signup into the address bar. Three. On the Gmail sign-in page, you'll find the option to create account. Click on it. 4. You'll be prompted to fill out a form with your personal information, including your first and last name, birth date, gender, desired email address, which will be your username. Password. And phone number. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Five. Google requires you to verify your phone number to create an account. Enter your phone number and choose whether you want to receive a verification code via text message or a phone call. Once you receive the code, enter it into the provided field. Six. After filling out the form, you need to agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the checkbox to indicate your agreement. To prevent automated account creation, you may be asked to complete a captcha challenge. Follow the on-screen instructions to prove you're not a robot. You'll be directed to a page where you can set up your Google profile by adding a profile picture and filling out additional information if you wish. This step is optional, and you can skip it if you prefer. You've successfully created a Gmail account. You can now start using your new email address to send and receive emails. Remember to keep your account credentials secure and to periodically update your password for added security.